Here at Biggs Harley Davidson, we have a 2020 Road Glide Special in color Vivid Black. This bike comes with a 114 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. It also comes with an upgraded windshield, highway pegs, LED turn signals, the Prodigy wheels, hard lockable saddlebags, an S&S exhaust, Thrash and Supply handlebars, upgraded grips, cruise control, and it has only 3,977 miles. If you have any questions about this bike or you want to take it for a test ride, give us a call here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos.